And what else?
I just feed the sheep.
Yeah?
I like a night there. A big deal, good friend, right do. Right do. Right do. Let's do. Boop.
And a poop?
Yeah.
Where do you have to go poop?
Somebody, because you poop with a baby.
On the toilet. You go on the toilet, remember?
On the potty.
On the potty. Yeah? What about the bears? Oh, the bears went night-night tonight, huh? What about the snakes? Yes. What about the birds? Yeah, the birds went night-night. What about the horsies? Okay, what about the squirrels? What about the rabbits? What about the ribbits? What about the pigs? Oh, what about the camels? Yeah! What about the elephants? What about the alligators? Oh, what about the babies? What about Savannah? Oh, she's night-night? Are there any other animals we forgot? Which one? No. What about Old MacDonald? All right, well, we love you.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you, Daddy. Who do you love?
No.
Who do you love?
No.
Do you love Papa Joe?
No, Mama.
What? Do you love Mamo?
That's phone.
You love Mamo?
The phone.
You love Mamo's phone?
Yeah.
She just lets you play on that phone? And she just gives you that phone? What about Papa Joe? Does he give you the phone?
Yeah.
He does? But do you love him? You love Papa Joe? What about Chad?
So cute.
And Lance?
And Papa Joe mean.
Papa Joe's mean?
Yeah.
He is.
Snakes.
Are there snakes?
Yeah.
Is that why Papa Joe's mean?
Yeah.
Because of the snakes? A bite here and a bite there. That's a snake?
Yeah.
Where's your brother? Bebo? Bebo! Hey, Bebo. We got some great kids, huh? We got some great kids. We love you.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.